A gas is symbol of a matter that conforms of the shape of container in which it is held and acquires a uniform density inside the container. Even in the presence of gravity and regardless of the amount of substance in the container, if not conformed to a container, gaseous matter, also known as vapor, will disperse into space. The term gas is also used in reference to the state or condition of matter having this property. The atoms or molecules of matter in the gaseous state move freely among each other and are in most instances packaged more loosely than the molecules of the same substance in the solid or liquid state. A sample of gaseous matter can be compressed. Example of gases are oxygen at room temperature, approximately 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit, hydrogen at room temperature, and water at standard atmospheric pressure and at temperature above 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. When a sample of matter in the gaseous state is heated, the atoms or molecules gain kinetic energy and move more rapidly when a sample of gaseous matter is cold. The atoms or molecules lose kinetic energy and move more slowly. If a sample of gaseous matter confined of a container of fixed size he heated, the pressure increases. If the sample of cooled, the pressure drops. If a sample of gaseous matter is placed in a sealed container and then the volume of the container is reduced, the volume of the compression heats the gas. If the volume of the sealed container increases, the decompression cools the gas. If the temperature becomes sufficiently high, certain gases such as hydrogen will rapidly combine with other gases such as oxygen or chlorine. This is combination of some chemical reactions between gases and other substances occur more slowly. An example is the gradual oxidation of iron from iron oxide roast. In this case, the oxygen is gaseous at room temperature while the iron and the iron oxide are solids. When a sample of matter in the gaseous state is cooled to a low enough temperature, it may become a liquid of a solid. For example, of nitrogen is chilled to a temperature far below 0 C. Liquid nitrogen is used by some medical doctors to destroy minor skin lesions such as warts. Another gas, carbon dioxide, skips the liquid phone when cold at atmospheric pressure and become a solid known as dry ice. When a sample of a matter in the gaseous state heated, the atoms or molecules gain kinetic energy and move more rapidly. When a sample of gaseous matter is cooled, the atoms or molecules lose kinetic energy and move more slowly. If a sample of gaseous matter confined to a container of a fixed size in heated of pressure increases. If the sample of cold, the pressure drops. If a sample of gaseous matter is placed in a sealed container and then the volume of the container is reduced, the compression heats the gas. If the volume of the sealed container increases, the decompression cools the gas. If the temperature becomes sufficiently high, certain gases such a hydrogen will rapidly combine with other gases such as oxygen or chlorine. This is combustion. Some chemical reactions between gases and other substances occur more slowly. An example is the gradual oxidation of iron from iron oxide. Roast in this cause the oxygen is gaseous at room temperature, while the iron and the iron oxide are solid.